And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to put text behind a moving object. So it's the same clip that I've used last time, but back then I just put it behind a static object, and now let's say you want to put some text in front of the boat. First step is to create some text, obviously. I use the text tool and left click on my preview window. You can find the text right here in Effect Controls. Let me reposition that and I size it up holding Control. And let's just say the first boat, the one on top, is on top of the text, but the second one, it should be in front of it, so the text is exactly where the boat is, at least right here at this point for the clip. The moment it gets blended in, you can see the boat is not in front of it, the text is on top of the boat. First thing to do is to hold Alt and copy your video clip, put it in video channel 3. So now the clip is below and on top of my text in the timeline. I'll make video channel 3 invisible, you can see the text again. We'll go to video channel 3, we are at the starting position, and now I use a mask for it. It should be where the opacity is. If the drop down is closed, open it. I use the pen tool and the mask is automatically generated. And now I'll go over the outline of the second boat right here. Simply left click and you can use different zoom levels. I'm at 75% here, that's fine. Close the shape and then you can see the mask. Well, now it's static, so it only works for the first frame. Let me click on Mask Path. So now I'm sure that I've got this mask right here in the keyframe. And now I click on this play button for my mask path. So Premiere Pro now tries to guess the best positions for this mask and move it along with the boat. It's not going to give you perfect results most often. You'll have to adjust it manually. I'm going to show you how it's done. And if you know how to use After Effects, you should definitely try using that, because it's a little bit more precise when it comes to tracking and applying these masks to moving objects. But we are here in Premiere Pro, so let me show you what to do if the mask isn't perfect. You can already see right here at the end of the boat, it's not perfect, and we've got all of these keyframes created where Premiere Pro has tracked the mask, and it's not that bad. But right here we've got a problem. So how can we fix that? Go to where the mask is fine, then activate the mask by clicking on Mask in your Effect Controls, and then you can see it, and you can just drag these anchor points and adjust it. And you now have to do this frame by frame. It's a little bit tedious, but if you don't do it frame by frame, the mask is going to jump. So watch right here, we've got 14:23. So for me to have perfect results, I now have to activate this. Go to 14:24, go to 15:0, 15:01, and adjust this mask frame by frame. So if you want to have the best results, there's simply no way around this. And the masking process becomes more complex, the more complex your objects are. But this is generally the process of putting text behind a moving object in your videos. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.